How to Audition for a Musical. Your step-by-step guide to auditioning for a musical. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Warren Brownlee. Introduction. A brief history of musical theater. Musical theater originated in ancient Greece. The Greeks were incredibly passionate about the arts and were the first to combine music and acting. Musicals continued to develop over many years until they started to resemble the musicals we know today. Operettas, small opera pieces, were introduced in the 1800s by the French and Viennese. Although these were mostly song, they were very expressive and required exceptional acting skills to pull off the emotion of an operetta. These developed into vaudeville, which was a variety show often containing short plays, illustrated songs, jugglers, magicians, dancers, trained animals, comedians, and even athletes. It was inspired by American and Canadian entertainment at the time, such as burlesque and freak shows. Vaudeville started to lose popularity in the 1930s and around the Second World War, as people started to become more straight-laced and desired more sophisticated entertainment. This came in the form of the American musical. The earliest musical theater composers were the likes of Gilbert and Sullivan, who took the excitement and novelty of vaudeville and updated it to become a classy form of entertainment, only available to the most well-off people. The 40s brought classic musicals, many of which are still performed regularly today, such as Kiss Me Kate, My Fair Lady, and The King and I. By the 1960s, musicals including Hello Dolly and Fiddler on the Roof were showing a more adventurous side of musical theater. Composers and directors were taking risks, which the public were delighted by. Later musicals were the result of the public embracing the sheer diversity of musical theater, such as Les Miserables, Wicked, Cats, and Phantom of the Opera. School versions of many musicals were being made, and also film versions. Musical theater became accessible to anyone. What you can gain from this guide. As musical theater has become more accessible, many people want to take part, whether it be professionally or in an amateur theater group. This guide will explain to you how to audition well and come across as a well-rounded actor, singer, and dancer, no matter what your ability is. It will also be an inexpensive way of improving yourself and having more skills. This guide will explain the basics of good singing, dancing, and acting. It will not make you a professional, but any good director will be able to see your potential and the effort you have gone to self-improve. Ultimately, by reading this guide, you will gain the basic skills necessary to audition for musical theater by impressing directors with your knowledge of singing, acting, dancing, and musical theater etiquette. Auditioning for musical theater is a very rewarding experience, whether you get the part or not. Even being a member of the chorus can give you the vital experience you will need to become the next Maria or Tony in West Side Story. You can learn so much from the self-discipline required to audition, and it will give you life skills like confidence, teamwork, and self-worth, which you can transfer to school or work, and even your personal life. People audition for musical theater for many reasons: to build confidence, to experience a passion, and to socialize with a new group of people. It is important to realize that auditioning to take part in a musical can be very demanding and draining, and is a big commitment to the rest of the theater company. However, there will be many experienced members who will want to help you and guide you. Some theater groups assign experienced members to new members as mentors.